In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 275 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 2. It is less than 5, so we will consider the number 27. We know that 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract, we get 2. Now this 2 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this 5 here. And we know that 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 275 divided by 5 is equal to 55. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.